So, shoot natin right now is this one, Hilux Conquest 4x2 automatic. Tara. So, ang i-highlight ko lang actually dito is yung emotional red color. Yan. Meron na akong vlog for this, for the color white. Pero ito, po-point out ko lang talaga itong emotional red. Pero may papasukin pa rin natin siya, at least. Sayang naman yung pag-click nyo para makita itong emotional red. Yan. So previously yan, wala yung mga upgrades. Nagkaroon siya ng upgrades minor, pero yan. Yan yung color ng emotional red. So by the way, kapag emotional red, meron to additional 20,000 na sa price. Alright. So guys, excuse lang yung sa framing ko Dalawang camera yung naka-shoot ngayon. So habang pinapakita ko na tong emotional red sa inyo, ikutan natin. So actually this one is the V variant. Of course, being one of the top of the line. Pero actually, right now, ang top of the line natin is the Hilux GRS. Of course, the Sporty Edition. So, this one is the 4x2. Yan. Nice. So, of course, nasa ilalim yung backing camera niya. Right? So, this one is hard plastic. And, merong input ng susi dyan. See? Right? So of course, being the Conquest 4x2, apat yung sensors niyan, guys. See? That one. And yan, 4 sensors. Right? Of course, being the Conquest, hindi pwedeng walang bed liner yan. Right? See? There's the Toyota logo there. Right? So dito sa Conquest 4x2, yan kita nyo ayan. Yung roll bar niya, of course pwede naman niya palitan. Yan merong accent dito ng medyo lighter na gray. This one is yan So yung design ng roll bar niya, very sporty, very aggressive. So pa rin yung design ng taillight niya, makikita niyo parang letter C. Right. And the over fender na design niya. Right. So ang mag size nito is 18. So mag size niyan is 18 guys. Nice. So meron tayong step board, of course. See the step board. So black ang door handles niya. Very nice, pang sporty look. And ang side mirror natin, of course, meron tayong integrated signal light. Nice. And being the Conquest, of course, meron tong 360 camera monitoring. Tignan nyo guys, yan. So maganda yan, pang monitoring, especially kung sa mga terrain natin or masikip na parking space. So yung over fender niya nagra-run here hanggang sa fog lights. Yung design ng fog lights natin. Yan. And meron tayong mga front sensor, of course. Yan. Right. So ito pala yung isang 360 camera niya. See? Of course, meron niyang chrome accent here. And nakita niyo yung sa windshield niya, yun yung sensor niya for the lane assist. Alright, kita niyo? Dito Yan. So yan yung pang-assist just in case nakakatulog ka na pala, nawala ka sa lane. Yan. So, yan yung emotional red. So, ginawa ko to para pag-search nyo for the emotional red is, yan, makita nyo siya. So, ayun, hindi ko muna siya pinasukan, of course, dahil nakafocus ako sa emotional red color. Tara, simulan natin. So, of course, meron tong smart entry, this one, the button. And, ayan yung door panel niya. Right? And, eto na nga yung window controls niya. Of course, meron diyang control yung 4 na window, central lock, and central lock ng windows, fold and unfold ng side mirrors. Then this one is the joystick, of course. Yan. If you want to adjust the left side mirror or the right side mirror. And unfortunately, even the Hilux GRS, wala siyang auto fold. When we say auto fold, yun yung pag pinress mo yung susi, magpo-fold yung side mirror. Isang indicator na rin niya na nakalock na yung kotse mo. Pero dito, sa Hilux units natin, wala tayong auto fold. Alright? And of course, teka lang bago tayo pumasok sa loob meron tong blind spot monitoring. Yan, may icon dito as blind spot monitoring na umiilaw-ilaw yan every time. Of course, merong approaching sa blind spot nyo. Cup holder extended. And one speaker here at the driver's side. Ito yung design ng handle niya. Right. So the lock mechanism. Yeah. Right. So before we sit down, yan, power siya, guys. Power seat adjust siya. Teka, let me check dun lang sa passenger side kung power seat adjust din. So, ang naka-power seat lang natin is the driver's side. So, itong front passenger, hindi siya powered. Manual siya. Alright? So, dito, ito yung volume control, of course. Pang-skip, of course, ng radio station or ng songs. Mode is the shortcut for the infotainment. Right? Every time you press this, you're going to cycle between AM, FM, Bluetooth connection, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto. Yan. Then this one is the answer call. This one is the hang up. Right? So, the emblem. Of course, nandito yung busina nito. Then this one is the piano black finish. Yan. Alright? Makintab siya. Then, lane alert. So, ito yung pang monitor niya. Baka mamaya na wala ka na sa lane, of course. So, this one is the arrows to navigate this one. The multi-information display. So, dito mo masiset yung mga, of course, the settings ng sasakyan. Then, ang speedometer niya is analog. See that? Right? So, this one is the back button. Of course, yan. Lagi ko itong inuulit pag nagde-demo ko para tayong bumalik doon sa Nokia na phone. So, unfortunately, mga mga buyers natin na hindi naabutan yung Nokia. Yung Nokia kasi dati, hindi pa siya touchscreen, of course. So, ito yung arrow to navigate the screen. Then, this one is the back button. And, yeah. So, ito solid siya. Ganda. And moving on, yan ang design ng aircon vent niya. Yan, So the hazard button located here. Yan, may pang-adjust ng air vent. And of course, being the push start. Of course, hindi pwedeng hindi push start to, being the Conquest. And this one, if you are wondering about this, ito kasi meron tong option sa 4x4 model. Yan. Dito nakalagay yung mag-a-adjust ka ng drive, kung 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive. Yan. So, yan. Aircon blower adjust. front defogger and rear defogger, airflow, air circulation, auto max for the air blower, off button. So ito rotary to naiikot to guys. Right? So this one is for the dual temperature. So ulitin ko lang, of course, ito mga hindi natin alam to, yung dual temperature. So in case yung pasahero mo dito is nalalamigan, pwede niya ma-adjust individually yung temperature niya. Alright? So pag in-on mo naman yan, pwede siya mag-synchronize. Okay? I mean pag in-off nyo. Kasi pag naka-on siya as dual, individual temperature siya. So this one is the thermostat. Right? Nice. So meron siyang dalawang power supply. So maganda tong classic na power supply na to dahil pwede mong kabitan ng extension to. Although may mga extension version na rin yung mga type C or USB type, pero ito classic. Ang maganda kasi dito yung mga majority like air compressor, portable air compressor, usually ganito yung connectivity niya. Alright, so nandito sa ilalim yung traction button. Yan. Okay. So, meron tayong dalawang cup holder. And eco and power mode. Alright. So, ito ang mga choices natin dito sa drive mode is park, reverse, neutral, then plus minus for sports drive or sequential, then the standard drive. Alright? So, may option ka dyan mag plus minus just in case nami-miss mo yung pagdadrive ng manual. Pero of course, wala tong clutch. Pero nandun tayo sa plus minus. Yan, very ideal yan sa uphill. Yan, pag marami tayong dalang cargo. Yan. Alright? Then, the classic handbrake. Napakaganda nito. Wala nang tingin-tingin, grab lang and stop. So meron tayong side pocket, square type siya, alright? Okay. Nice. And ang design ng seats niya is yan, meron siya mga small holes. Yan I hope nakikita nyo. And full leather to lahat. Very nice. Ganda. Right? So, dito naman is meron tong cool box. Ayan tinatawag yung cool box just because dumadaan kasi yung aircon dyan. Pero, of course, hindi yan yung mag-yelo talaga yung yung drinks nyo, just in case may nilagay kayo. Pero, at least dumadaan dyan yung aircon. Right? Kaya yan tinawag na cool box. Doon sa dulo niyan, merong vent na pwede mong i-on off. Okay? Then, the classic glove box. Right? So, ayan. Meron ba tayong cup holder? Ayan. The retractable cup holder. Ayan. Alright. Ayan. And by the way, meron dyan tweeter Ayan kita niyo yung tweeter. Alright. Nice. So, this one, ayan yung design ng rear view mirror niya. So, sa mga natin, naabutan nyo pa ba yung may lever dito? Yung na-adjust. Yung para hindi ka masilaw dun sa ilaw sa likod. Pero ito, ang version nito is naka-auto na siya. Yan, meron dyan Yan, merong button na auto. It means na nag-automatic na siya each time yung kotse sa likod mo is balakan silawin. So, headliner tayo Yan, black headliner. So, wala tayong mirror here. Okay? So, lagayan ng salamin. Of course. Nice. And door function. Yan. Iilaw yan kapag may nakabukas na door. Then, off. Okay? Pwede mo siya i-lit individually. And just like what I'm doing right now. Yan. And, of course, meron to. Alright? Dahil magagalit ang pasahero nyo. Wala siyang salamin. Kaya meron niyang salamin. So, nice. Yan, leather seat, 4x2. Yan. Yan, very ideal for urban. Urban driving, yan, nice. Right? Then, of course, meron tayong central cabin light. Yan. Oh, nice. Gumagana siya. It means nakakabit yung battery. So, door function and lit. Then, off. Right? Yan. Guys, sorry for the framing lang ha. Dalawang camera to nakashoot right now. And yun na nga ulit. Babalikan ko yung mga nagagalit sa akin dahil bakit daw walang price. Yan. Guys, sorry talaga. Sinasadya akong walang price eh. Kasi nga nagpa-price increase eh. And if you're watching this video, at this point, maintindihan nyo na, totoo talaga nagkaka-price increase. So, hindi ko muna talaga nilalagay yung price. Diba? So, if you're totoong interested talaga kayo, nandito lang lagi yung mobile number ko. Indicated. Alright? So, meron tayong speaker. Same goes at the front. Meron tayong speaker and cup holder na extended. And ito yung design ng handle niya. Of course. Lock mechanism. Right? So, tingnan nyo to up close Yan So, light gray siya eh. Light gray ang design niyan. Right? Then, this one, plastic. Yan, at least naano ko sa inyo yung ano niya. Sa front, this one is the front panel, is also plastic. Okay? About the dashboard, it's hard plastic. Alright? So, this is the second row. Alright? So, being the pickup, of course, yan talagang dito, hindi na to adjustable, of course. And meron siyang retractable armrest. Nice. 'Di ba? Ganda, may dalawang lagayan ng drink. Okay? So kung tatlo naman, of course 'yan. Pagtatluhan. And 'yan, meron siyang tatlong headrest. Right? Yan may mga safety benefits 'yan Yung headrest na 'yan, hindi lang yung basta-basta ganyan. And now is the second row aircon vent. Ang ganda. So, meron din siyang control kung ayaw nyo, kung nalalamigan yung passenger natin. And merong sabitan, of course. Ito yung retractable na sabitan nyo. Kita nyo. Nice. And hindi mawawala itong lagayan ng files. Of course. And by the way, meron tong accent light. I hope nakikita nyo. Ayan Ayan So, meron siyang blue accent light there. Alright. Nice. So, that's the Hilux Conquest 4x2. Ikutan ko pa ng isa. At least ito, masulit nyo yung pag-check ng emotional red color. Alright? So, medyo dark red siya actually. So, ikutan ko pa ng isa. At least ma-visualize nyo ang emotional red Hilux. So, remind ko ulit, meron tong additional fee dahil iconic tong color na to sa Toyota. Right? Okay. So right now discuss ko lang din yung supply ng 4x4 units. Currently this month, November 2025, actually magde-December na, mas may dumadating na Hilux GRS, top of the line. Alright, itodo nyo na, just in case if you're looking for the 4x4. Ang available na dumadating, 3 months na to May mga clients ako naka-line up for the 4x4 Conquest. Pero hindi. Itodo nyo na sa Hilux GRS dahil yun ang may dumadating na unit sa Pinas. Right? Isang pasada lang for the emotional red Hilux Conquest. So, that's the color. So, remind ko lang meron na din talaga akong vlog for this one, the Conquest 4x2, super white. That's the white color. Alright. So, I think that's just it. Mukhang na-cover ko naman. Please check my YouTube and TikTok page. Yan. Halos lahat na yata na cover ko na. So, guys, visit my page. Stop recording. So, yun na nga eh. Marami na tayo nakikita online na dadating na yung bagong Hilux. So, bago na yung bumper niya. So, wala pa kami actually yung accurate na technical specs about that. Pero, for sure, walang discount yan. So, kung gusto mo maka-avail ng discount, eto na. Okay? Dito muna tayo sa Hilux version na to. Alright? So, by the way, marami akong vlog for the Hilux, including the Hilux GRS and the Hilux E. Alright? So, wala pa akong vlog for the Hilux G, pero hopefully. So, ito naman lagi outro ko eh. Meron kaming trade-in dito. Pero hindi kami nagbibigay ng quick appraisal. Right? So, dali nyo yung sasakyan dito. Schedule natin. Of course, wag kayong basta-basta susugod dito. Baka mamaya wala pala yung appraiser namin. By schedule yan. Abisuhan nyo ako at least 1 day ahead para ma-schedule yung appraisers namin. And good for 30 days. Just in case binigyan namin kayo ng price, bawiin na lang namin sa discount. Usually, ang sinasabi nila, mababa daw yung appraisal eh. E di bawiin namin sa discount. Alright? And ano pa ba? Yun. Just in case may approval na kayo, like for example, sa ibang brand, pwede natin yung i-transfer dito sa Toyota. Okay? So guys, visit my YouTube and TikTok. Halos na dyan na lahat ng vlogs ko. And ito talagang finocus ko lang talaga emotional red eh. Alright? Meron na akong vlog for this one, for the super white. Alright? Pero gusto kong makita nyo yung emotional red eh. Ng video, ng hindi lang picture. Alright? Bye! Thanks!